Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a glorious day. I have changed up my layout because I was too lazy to move off my sofa. So I've kind of strategically placed cushions and plants around me to make this look a lot more professional than it actually is. Today I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I have decided to try and create a series based on one of my favourite TV shows at the moment, Glow Up, and it's basically all these makeup artists competing to be the best, and every week they have to do a professional challenge and a creative challenge. They get two different briefs. And I was sat watching and thinking, like, obviously no, I'm not good enough to be on this show, but what if?
In a flat in the south of England, lockdown boredom sparked an idea. Now, watching the BBC's Glow Up, a wannabe makeup artist has decided to challenge herself. For the next few months, she will attempt the challenges from the show and give it her all to impress, well, nobody really. Each week, she will attempt to show some form of skill, artistry, and imagination, both with the creative and the professional briefs, starting from season 1. As a competitor, judge, photographer, and producer, she may not be the best, but she will try her best in order to prove that she is okay at makeup. It's time to glow up. Ish.
So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going back to the very first season, episode 1, and the very first task was a editorial photo shoot for Marie Claire magazine on the theme Rebellion. So just like the makeup artist did, because I'm super sad, please ignore my sister on FaceTime, I did like a little face chart for my look. So it's based on the most rebellious thing that I ever did, which was dye my hair blue without my mum knowing when I was 17. I just got tickets to a music festival and I thought my little blonde, boring, nerdy look wasn't good enough. So me and my friend decided to dye my hair blue overnight, ready for this festival, and my mum hit the roof. So I've gone for a very like smoky, dark blue eye, ombre type thing, so not a traditional smoky eye shape, and then a black ombre lip. Fingers crossed for me, and maybe I'll get hired by Marie Claire, who knows. Get ready to glow up-ish with me. I just noticed like a massive spot on my chest, so I'm gonna conceal it. Hope you guys enjoy this. This is a little bit extra just for you. That did nothing, guys. Why? Do you know, I'm just gonna like slather it on, like. Should I just leave the dollop of concealer there? Like, I genuinely feel in this lighting that it makes more of a difference than when I blend it out. Do. There we go. Now I just have like a dark tan patch in my chest, which is better than a spot, right? Okay, so I would not hold up in this competition. The pressure's getting to me. It doesn't look like my mood board at all. I'm getting the kind of gradient that I want-ish, but a lot of the rebelliousness of my look is the shape and how it comes down the nose a bit, so I'm gonna have to do my skin and then continue with the eye. So far, so rebel. So here guys, I've just started watching Robert Welsh, and I'm trying not his, even though he tells us not to credit him, but like the way that he does his concealer under my eyes. So I'm just going in with my finger and dabbing that into place. I'm really enjoying using less product because my under eyes, they're kind of really sensitive, and I find that when I put too much on, it can flake away really fast. And so far when I've been trying this, it's been staying on quite well. So shout out to Robert, thank you. Not that he will ever watch this. Feeling I should have done that with a bit of a more precise brush than what I just did. I'm so glad I'm not actually on Glow Up, because the judges would be reading me so hard. We can fix this with concealer. Everything can be fixed with concealer. Except my face, just generally. I think it's actually going quite well, guys. Like, it's not like the best makeup ever, but I think it is fitting the brief, and it is showing a bit more creativity than I usually show, because I am like the least creative person you will ever meet. Like, I'm not creative at all. So I'm actually quite happy that I've even attempted something a little bit out of my comfort zone. That monstrous sneeze was my boyfriend in the background. No, he's not in the same room as me. He's somewhere else in the flat. But yes, you still heard it. I know. It scares the hell out of me as well. Are the eyes even symmetrical? I can't even tell, guys. I'm so bad at measuring things. Like, I cannot tell when my eyebrows are wonky. Like, I genuinely think I've done the best eyebrows ever. My sister will be like, Rian, they're different shapes. Like, I think my eyebrows are different shapes now. Like, I genuinely can't tell. Like, I don't see it. So, like every Glow Up contestant, I've decided that my look isn't working, and like a good makeup artist, this is what Don said: if it's not working, fix it, do something different, change it up, be the makeup artist you want to see in the world. So I really like this blue graphic shape we've got going across our eye. So what I'm going to do quickly is use some micellar water and a cotton bud and take off the stuff that I blended out earlier and keep this harsh graphical shape, because I think that really goes with the rebellious theme a lot better than this soft blending. So let's go in and do that quickly. So that's the final look, guys. This is my Glow Up inspired rebellion look from season 1 episode 1. I am gonna do, as the contestants did, go next door and take some photos. I will include them here for you to judge them. So yeah. So unlike in Glow Up, obviously I don't have any judges here, it's just me. And I think for my first time trying something a bit more dramatic, something that isn't just like nice makeup, I'm quite happy with it. This is my first attempt at an ombre lip, which I'm also quite happy with. Using eyeliner hasn't worked so well and it is bleeding a little bit. Also, having taken off that colour above the graphic shape, my eye is a little bit blue tinged, which I would have preferred if it was all really clean cut. I don't know if I would have been in the face-off chairs with this, because I think all the MUAs played it quite safe. I think Rebellion is quite bold, out there. You've got your thing to say and you want to say it, and you don't care who doesn't want to hear you. So I'm really happy. I think this meets the brief. So if you guys want to be my judges, please leave some comments down below. Would you have kicked me off for this look? Would you have put me in the face off? Or do you think I would have got a ding dong from Val? Let me know, guys. Maybe if you guys like this, I'll try and get my sister to be a judge at some point. We'll see if lockdown eases, or even over FaceTime or something. I could edit her in. She has a lot of opinions, so I think she'd be a good judge. Basically, I'm saying she's a judgy bitch. In a good way. Love you, Meg. So yeah, this is the look, guys. If you're enjoying this, please like my video, leave a comment down below, please subscribe. I'm enjoying doing this so much and I appreciate all your support. I actually got my first 1,000 views on one of my videos recently, and yeah, it made me so happy. So I'm so glad you guys are enjoying my content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.